Okay, I've got some Heinz Mayonnaise. I'm trying to get the top off. I can't get the top off. Jesus. Is there something I ought to break? No, they've got to fix that. I'm seriously not joking. I still haven't got it off. I've been struggling like anything. I've held it right down and really gripped it and just cannot open it. That is terrible. Heinz Mayonnaise. Okay, I had to go outside to my shed to get these things because that is the only way I'm going to open them. So I put this roughly to that size of the head and then I'll see if it works. Got it. So Heinz, please include a pair of adjustable grips, vice grips, so people can open it. Okay, now you have to try to get this top off, and all you got the grip on is that tiny bit there. I mean, look at it. You can't even get your fingers on it. So really you have to put a knife in there and sort of poke it out. Terrible. I'm sure most people have seen this and they laugh about it. You know, especially when it makes that funny noise. But have you seen this? Oh God,